Hi, I'm Robert F. Kennedy Jr., your HHS secretary. When you go out to eat at a restaurant, the price of food is right there on the menu. When you purchase something online, you know exactly how much you're going to be charged before you click buy. Why is it that when it comes to many medical procedures, we only find out the price afterward? And unlike a restaurant or an online purchase, medical bills often run into hundreds of thousands of dollars. Who benefits from that? Certainly not the patients. While you've been at home worrying about that bill coming in the mail, health insurers and hospitals have been hiking up prices and pocketing skyrocketing profits. Patients are fed up with the status quo, and that's why President Trump took action in his first term to pull back the curtain on prices for hospital stays, physicians' visits, and prescription drugs. Now we're building on that. Thanks to the leadership of Dr. Oz and his incredible team at CMS, the Trump administration recently published Transparency and Coverage 2.0 proposed rule that requires health insurers to show patients the actual cost of care upfront. When you can see the cost of care before you receive it, you can shop for the lowest cost, highest quality treatments, which will drive down the cost of care by promoting market competition in the process. Right after the Senate confirmed me as your HHS secretary, President Trump signed an executive order that directs us to make healthcare pricing clear, accurate, transparent, and actionable. And the MAHA strategy, released in September, calls for HHS to implement that executive order. Today, we're delivering on those directives, working to make your healthcare more transparent, more accessible, more convenient, with no surprises. Our proposed rule requires the information be available to you in multiple ways, including on your cell phone. Other nations have found that when governments require price transparency, patients make informed choices that are better for them, better for society, bringing down national health care costs dramatically. Analysts estimate that price transparency could save American consumers $80 billion annually in healthcare costs. President Trump and I are doing everything we can to make sure healthcare is more affordable, and that starts by empowering you with options and information right down to the last dollar. Thank you.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.